Hi, I'm Victor Dominello, Minister for Customer Service and Digital Government. Welcome to the OPENAIR project and networking event. We all know the importance of data, particularly in the 21st century, but we need to have more data when it comes to air quality. We have a handful of sensors right across the state, but that covers an area about the size of Ukraine. What we need is more granular data. So what we're going to do is put more sensors, low-cost sensors, at local council level. And that means people can have more information about air quality as it impacts on their life at a local level. Imagine if you've got asthma or some other form of respiratory disease. And imagine if there is a bushfire or there is air pollution or you're living in a heat island. You would want to have this type of air quality data available to you in real time so you can make informed decisions about your lifestyle. This is how we can use data, open data, to help the public interest. So thank you very much for participating in tonight's event. You're going to network with some amazing people and be part of a nation-leading asset.